Hello traders, welcome to the channel. Today 9th August, Nifty is trading around 24,351 and Bank Nifty at 50,490. See, I'm recording it live and you can see the price changes here. And as of now, if you see, as per our previous week, we expected the price to reach 50,650 to 50,750. And the price has reached and trading around that zone. We need to see whether it gives a breakout or going lower, and we will discuss that once the market settles. And Nifty also, see, we expected the price to reach between 24,400 to 24,450, and the high made so far is 24,410 or something, and see 24,420 around. So the price reached our expected zone and trading in that zone. Meanwhile, many subscribers and followers ask that are we heading for a bigger correction in coming days? So this is the primary question. Are we completing the wave 3? Are we going for a bigger wave 4 correction? So these are the common questions around the our subscribers and followers. So let us discuss what is the possibility in a larger perspective for our Indian markets. I already posted a video where we discussed larger perspective for coming years, but anyway, some waves has been changed due to some market events. So let us discuss the larger perspective view of Indian markets now. So I'm moving to the weekly chart. So this is the weekly chart of Nifty, wave 1 and wave 2, and we are in bigger wave 3, and we will discuss Nifty after discussing the Bank Nifty and broader markets, because I'm getting clues from the Bank Nifty and other indices. Since Nifty's these price actions are not clear, I'm getting clues from the other indices. So this is Bank Nifty weekly chart. You remember that I shared while the price was trading here, and even I shared in X that once the price exactly touches this channel line, I said the price is at important zone and it should be protected for further up move, and the price has started moving higher. See, this is on anticipation that the wave 3 should follow, because broader markets and Nifty are in wave 3, but Bank Nifty not performed well. So considering other factors and other indices, I made a leading diagonal in the subways of wave 3. Okay, this wave 3, wave 1, wave 2 and wave 3. So in larger perspective, we are in bigger wave 3, wave 1, wave 2 and wave 3. Okay, so in larger perspective, this is bigger wave 1 and bigger wave 2, and entire process can be bigger wave 3. In that these are subdivisions: wave 1, wave 2, this is wave 3. In that wave 3, the first leg is leading diagonal. This is purely based on the assumption that broader markets are performed very well. So I want to match the wave counts with the other indices as per the Dow theory. Fine, this is the assumption, and currently we are in again subdividing, and it can be wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4 and wave 5. Okay, see, this wave 2 is ended or not, that we will discuss in a while. So after completing this wave 2, this wave 3 should start. This is the assumption now. That is, the Bank Nifty may start moving higher in 3 of this 3 of this 3, bigger 3. Okay, so 3 of 3 may start in the Bank Nifty after this wave 2 ends. I still am not convinced that the correction has been over, so we need to watch certain price actions. So there is a possibility of even one more low. So anyway, that we will discuss in a while in latter part of this video. So once the wave 2 completes, we can expect a bigger wave 3, and I will say certain levels where this view can invalidate. So this is the assumption now. So the understanding is the Bank Nifty may start moving in the 3 of 3, and in larger perspective, the wave 3 not yet over in the banks. That's the understanding. See, this is small cap, and small cap also. This is wave 1 and wave 2, wave 3. The wave 3 not yet over, and it may reach minimum 22,000. Now the price is trading around 18,400. So if I assume it is wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the 3 of 3 has completed and 4 has completed here, and how this price may move here. So this may have the option of wave 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It will take another 5 impulse wave to complete the wave 3, and this wave 2 whether completed or not, that's why I am saying that there is a possibility of one more low in broader markets. We discussed in previous video also. So if it comes lower, this can complete the 2 of 5 in bigger wave 3, and 3 may start, and 4 and 5 may proceed to complete the small cap to reach around 22,000. So the broader perspective again is there is a space in the upside. See, the broader market also not yet completed the wave 3, particularly small cap 100, and this may take another 5 subways to complete the wave 3. So this is the understanding. See, while analyzing this, I wish to share one thing, that this low, okay, this low I exactly identified on March 28th. I will share the screenshot. See, why I am sharing this information is recently I am receiving few negative comments, very few, saying that I am always giving alternative and taking credit for everything. Even though I am giving alternatives, that's the main way to analyze, that is different. But even though I'm giving alternatives, I'm saying with the levels. The price is following the levels, right? So even though if we do perfectly, few are commenting negative, that's okay. I can understand their idea. But I use this opportunity and I will explain why I am saying all this to everyone, because I am responsible to answer to my genuine followers and subscribers. See, there are 3 things. I should not give recommendations, and I will not give recommendations. So in all my videos, I will not give any buy sell recommendations. Second thing is, the primary objective of starting this YouTube channel is educating people on Elliott waves. You already know that I am having a paid course, and I am showing the real way to analyze the Elliott waves in the stock market. So that's the primary objective. Why I am choosing the Nifty, Bank Nifty? Because mass psychology is the backbone of Elliott waves. That means most tradable instruments will follow the Elliott waves properly. So that's why I'm choosing the Nifty and Bank Nifty, so that I can educate people on Elliott wave patterns. These are the 3 things. Please understand that. And their common question is always choosing alternatives. That's the way to analyze. See, for example, if you are buying here, instead of moving higher, the price coming lower, still you average it in lower price? No. You should have an alternate view, right? There are certain limit. If the price crosses that limit, you should have an alternate view. See, the basic condition to understand Elliott wave is patience and flexibility. The thing is, if you expect only tips, buy sell recommendations, you can follow anyone. This is the place you can only get education on Elliott waves. Fine, coming to the point, this low, I marked this date also. Okay, 27th March 2023. See this one, on 28th March 2023. Small cap 8,700. We are nearing the reversal zone. Attach the hourly chart for this correction and 15 minutes chart for this probably last leg of correction. Even a minor dip is expected. Even the minute levels also been analyzed. Say 8,700. What is the low made on that week? 8682. 8,700. And the low made was 8682. Those 18 points are coming from this last leg of correction in this 15 minutes. See, after this low, what has happened? So if you want to learn the proper way of Elliott waves, how to apply in real-time markets and how to adjust or how to change your view, everything is taught in my course. If you wish to learn the Elliott waves in 100% practical way, you can register my course. All the details in the description. Okay, coming back to our analysis, that both Bank Nifty and small cap suggesting that we are not yet completed the wave 3, and even Bank Nifty says that the 3 of 3 may proceed. Okay, and even mid cap 150 also, there is some more space upside left for completing the wave 3 around 22,875, and it can be an extended wave 5 now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 may proceed. When comparing the small cap, mid cap having only less space, but this is the minimum expectation. So the understanding here is except Nifty. Okay, we will come back to the Nifty now. While analyzing the Bank Nifty and broader markets, we can understand that wave 3 is not yet over, but Bank Nifty suggesting that fast and more upside is possible in the Nifty Bank. By having this view, now we are going to approach the Nifty. See Nifty, so this is wave 1 and wave 2. Probably the wave 3 can reach 1.618, and that 1.618 comes to 33,000. Okay, it may look much more upside, but this is possible. But anyway, for our analysis, we may expect approximately a round off number of 30,000. Okay, 30,000 is expected to complete the wave 3. That means minor wave 3 ending here is a less probability. See, this is bigger wave 1 and wave 2, wave 3. In that wave 3, this is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4 and wave 5. Okay, this is the assumption. I am saying about this minor wave 3 ending here. So if this minor wave 3 ending here, this 5 minimum should extend to this level or this level. Absolutely, this is possible. Extended wave 5s are possible, but Bank Nifty may start 3 of 3, then why this 3 should end here? Nifty also may move in 3 of 3. That means it may continue its final leg or some more steam in 3 of 3. So my primary assumption is this 3 of 3 may reach 26,150, and this may continue like this. So this is the assumption now, and the internals may be like this: wave 1, wave 2, even this 3 also can reach 26,000. There are higher chances. Okay, like this. I change the color. So this minor wave 3 itself can reach the 26,150, and 4 and 5 is possible. So assuming these conditions, considering the Bank Nifty and broader markets, see the Bank Nifty starts to moving in the faster wave 3. Nifty also have some steam left in the 3. That's the assumption now. So as per these conditions, considering all these conditions, Nifty can reach 26,150 in this third wave itself. That's a higher chance. Even though if it declines, this 26,150 is possible, and my primary assumption is this 3 itself can go to 26,150. Okay, so this is the larger perspective for our Indian markets this year. So this is the assumption now for coming months. For coming days and weeks, we will discuss in the second part of this video once this market gets over today. Okay, the markets have settled today, and Nifty ends this week at 24,364, and Bank Nifty at 50,482. If you see, both Nifty and Bank Nifty not crossed our levels. See, this is daily chart, and let me share the hourly chart. So these are the levels we expected last week, and the price still holding this level, and also in Nifty. Okay, see the price not cross this level. So what is the possibility now? And if you check our long-term view, Nifty has the possibility of 26,000, and all other indices are not completed a wave 3, but that doesn't mean that we will not have any dips. Anyways, we will check what is the probability for the next week and coming weeks. By looking at this chart, I'm not confident that correction has been over here. Okay, there is a possibility of one more low, but there are two chances for that. It can be, right, this can be one option, or this is another option. See, this pattern does not have a convincing end of a correction. So there are chances of one more low. I will explain with other indices too, right? So we need to check few levels. If the price rejects here itself, okay, the price does not cross this level, 24,450, and comes lower, these two levels are important. Most important level is this one, okay, and rejecting here and the price coming lower, this can be fifth or this can be C. Please understand, if it is fifth, you can see the nature will be somewhat slower, and we have already discussed the levels to watch. I explained in previous video, you can check that level. But if the price comes fast, it can be ABC, right? Sometimes the B wave can stop at 38% to 50%, and the price is stopping here. So if the price moves above, okay, above this 24,450, you can have this limit as 24,450 to 475, and even the price moves much higher, you can have this two levels. This is very, very important level, okay, between 24,615 to 24,700. Between 24,600 to 24,700 can be the important resistance, right? We need to see whether it takes a impulsive wave or a three wave bounce. Based on that price action, we can confirm whether it is a new impulse, that is after a pullback moving higher, or this is just a bounce to make one more low. But in my opinion, I'm not satisfied with this end of the correction. There are higher chances for one more low, but for that we need to see this level, whether it is coming directly from here or here. Okay, if the price reaches here, okay, if the price reaches this zone 24,600 or 600 to 700, then we may check the internal counts. Otherwise, this can be definitely ABC. Okay, only if the price comes here, we will check for the internals. If it returns here itself, this is obviously ABC. Mostly the fourth wave will not take this time for this kind of wave, so possibly a ABC. So these are the ideas now for Nifty. So why I am saying this, see, Bank Nifty already made a complex. So complex are 3 patterns. So this Bank Nifty also can make a one more high to this point, okay, if moves higher. Okay, if the price moves above this 5,700, there is a chance of price to move to 51,100 levels, 51,080 to 100. Let me check this fib number also. So 51,000 to 51,300. There are chances if the price moves above this level. Please remember, if the price moves above this level, the price can test the 51,000 to 51,300, and again it can be another ABC. See, the idea here is since this pattern does not convinced with the end of a correction, okay, I believe it can be one more low. It can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 also. Okay, a mild low point, but one low is highly possible. And if it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I shared the levels in previous video. You can check that level. But if it is ABC, some further decline is highly possible. We need to see the levels, and this also can take one more ABC, because complex are three ways. It can be one set of 3 and another set of 3 and one more set of 3 is possible. If you check the broader markets, I said a week before that the price can test this level. Okay, if you remember, I don't know which video I informed that, maybe previous weekend, I said there are chances of the price to test this level. Here also some sort of incompletion here, so there are higher chances of A, B and C. So if this happens, even this Nifty and Bank Nifty also can follow this direction. Anyway, we will check each and every level. The same setup will be found in the mid cap also. This is daily chart, and possibly the correction should come below to this level if this is an impulse. So again, the same method, there is a possibility of A, B and C to come below this level or equal to this level. Anyway, we'll check the further levels based on Nifty and Bank Nifty. And if the price comes like this, see, don't get confused. Okay, I'm expecting one more low, whether it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or A, B, C. Please understand. If it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the 5 may stop here itself, and the level has been mentioned in the previous video. But if it is A, B, C, it can stop here or go here. If the price goes here, check the impulse wave, whether it is impulse or corrective. But if the price reject here itself, then it is not an impulsive. Definitely a corrective wave is pending. Please understand this. Okay, I'm assuming there are chances to come lower again, but we need to check how the prices opens on Monday, moving above this level. If it moves above this level, it can fill the gap. There are chances, right? And then it may come lower again, and there are chances of price reaching these two levels, approximately 23,650 to 23,365. Okay, these two levels can be an important support if the price takes ABC, not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If the price moves as per expectation, you need to check how the Bank Nifty is moving, whether it is reaches the important support. I think I have already informed the support levels for the Bank Nifty already. You can check the previous video, maybe 48,850. The worst case 48,400. And obviously, if it is 1, 2, there are chances of coming to test this level. I mean, below this low of 17,580, maybe to 17,100. We can get the clear levels once the price started to react. So these are some anticipations now. So when it can be invalidated, only closing above this gap area with an impulsive structure. That is, as of now, it is not impulsive. This is not impulsive. This price action not yet created an impulsive wave action. This is a corrective pattern only. That's why I am saying that the correction is not yet over. And even the broader markets, I am saying from 1 week before itself that the correction still does not take the complete structure. So possibility of one more low is higher. In Bank Nifty already reaches 50%. That is what I am little confused because Bank Nifty already reached an important support of 50%. You know, we identified 49,660 and the low made was 49,659. Exactly, we identified the low, but there is a chance that still the price may take a complex. So if it is a complex, and I don't believe even this price moves to this line, maybe around 51,000 or 51,300. These are the possibilities if the price moves above this initial level. The price starts above this gap, it may fill and come lower. We need to check how the price moves here. When the downside projection is invalidated for Bank Nifty, the price definitely should move above this high point. Okay, since it is a complex, it may take any shape. So we need to give the extra cushion on upside. Here the 53,350 is the important level. The Bank Nifty should cross to invalidate the decline. But probably we will know here what is happening. So because when the price moves here, the Nifty also will move here. If it moves above that, we can already invalidate the level of decline. So that's the assumption. In indices, we need to compare with the other index. So this is the update I want to share with you. See, in a summary, this one weekly chart of Nifty and Bank Nifty. There is no intermarket divergence developed. So that's why I said I think the top has not yet made in the markets, and we have identified combined other indices. So everything seems to be in wave 3, and wave 3 is not yet over. So I think the one more high is also due, but the thing is, are we getting the one more high after this one more low? That is what our doubt. But my primary assumption, there are high chances that one more low is due. After that only the price may move, and expectation is the price may even reach 26,100 in the Nifty. So this is the update. This week's precise level of example, I will take it as a natural guess. And as I said, Elliott waves can be applied in any chart. The two things you need is the price and the volume. That is what important. So Elliott wave can work in all the charts and even precisely. See, there are a lot of times I showed the precise level of turning points. My course objective itself is to identify each and every turning points. I have shown a lot of examples in the stocks, indices, and this time I show in the commodity stock. See, this one I shared with one of our learner on 21st July. See, the next bounce can be 4th and levels are marked. The analysis is the price will move here and come one more lower, and the price also marked to 1.911. Please understand, all these are anticipated before the price even start moving. That is what I am saying. Waves will show the path to the price. So what is our strategy now? Buy here for this target and short here for this target. So identifying the turning points of 3, 4, and 5. I will show the today's chart. 3, where it ended, 2.295, 2.30. Got it? So buy, target. Here short, target is 1.911. Short, 1.911. What you will do here? Here again buy. Right? For the targets and other levels, you should learn. I can't share here. As I said in this video itself, I cannot recommend anything. I'm showing the reality of Elliott waves. This is the proper way of using the Elliott waves. See, in one simple example, you got buy here, short here, one more buy with precise levels. If you want to learn the Elliott wave in a proper way, in 100% practical way, there is no theory. See, if I say theory in Elliott waves, I can say in just 15 minutes. But while you analyze the real-time chart, you will face a lot of difficulties because I faced it. So I know the difficulty in analyzing the real-time chart. So that's why I created a course with 350 plus charts. I believe no one did this Elliott Wave course with this much examples, and I am regularly posting the videos. Even yesterday or day before yesterday, I posted one video in the course where I explained everything I identified last week. Examples, the exact point of reversal in Nifty, and pullback in Nifty and one more low in Bank Nifty and some expectation. Why I said that this 49,660, okay, without using any Fibs. If you see that video, I just mark like this. I not even touch the Fib numbers. Few are sharing some negative comments, but just imagine while the price was trading here, I have that option of rejecting at 52,300 and I said 49,660. You can check that video. The price exactly stopped here. So I explained all those things with the reason. There is a reason for everything. In my course itself, I said that there will be a reason for everything. So what I teach in the waves, for taking a trades, you should have a reason. Why? The reason will be Fibs and waves. And you should have conviction. So without these two things, you cannot take a trade. So it is not any anticipation. This 49,660 also has a reason for it. So I have shared that reason also and many things in the video. So the course will be always a continuing one. Every month, 1 or 2 videos will be adding regularly for real-time analysis and more practical learnings to the learners. So if you wish to learn the Elliott waves in a proper way, 100% practical way, you can register my course. All the details in the description. So if you like my work and if you like my approach to the markets, and if you're interested in learning Elliott waves and to receive the market updates twice a week, you can subscribe the channel and share it with your friends, fellow traders, or whoever interested in wave theory. I hope you found value in this video. So thank you so much. Trade safe. Happy weekend. Take care. Bye.